In this video, I'll show you how to screen mirror your iPhone 16, 16 Plus, Pro and Pro Max to your TV without any wires. So how is it done? Well, it depends first of all of your TV brands. Which smart TV do you have? This one is an LG and most people will have one. It's very easy. On the main menu, you're going to find AirPlay. If you have, let's say, a Samsung that is using Android TV or maybe even a Roku TV, you need to go into the settings and find AirPlay. Okay, this is very important and it works the same. So let me demonstrate. So the first step, I'm going to select, as I just said, AirPlay on the TV itself. If your TV is not connected on internet, you'll need to connect it. Okay, so connect to the same Wi-Fi network as your smartphone. Both needs to be on the same for this to work. Okay, now I have connected my TV to the Wi-Fi network. I can do the same exact thing and go into AirPlay. From here you can go into AirPlay and HomeKit settings and make sure that AirPlay is turned on. Over here we have require code. So if, let's say, you're living in a place with many people and you don't want your phone to connect automatically to the TV every time, you want a passcode to be required, go over here and change the default setting, which is first time only. Once you're ready, take your iPhone. On your iPhone, you're going to drag down from the top right corner. Oops. So we have Control Center showing up. Should look like this. And then you need to have the screen mirroring button to press on it. If you don't see the screen mirroring button, press on the plus button on the top left corner. Whoops, let me redo it. And then select Add Control. And then you should see screen mirroring, this logo over here. You see two rectangles. Click on it to select it, and it will be added in your controls if it wasn't there already. Now you can click anywhere on the screen where there is nothing and click on screen mirroring. Your LG TV should appear in the list. Click on it. And then here we go. We are mirroring our screen. You may be asked a passcode the first time you're using this. Okay, so if it asks you for a passcode, you're going to have 4 different numbers on the screen. Let's say 4001. And you need to type on your phone 4001 and then you're going to have what you see right now. So depending on the speed of your internet, it could have a certain lag or it could be quicker. Here you see there's a lag. I don't think many people like to play games with this kind of a lag, but maybe if you have a quicker internet network, you won't have such a thing. So it really depends. If you want to exit this, you just have to go back in Control Center, click your screen mirroring and click on your LG TV and it will disconnect. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.